Now this is going to be totally free software or a bot that will actually do all the work for you. You can make money hands-free right now. However, before we return to the software and before I explain how it actually works, you must visit this online money-making treasure, which is a brand new website called Jinkinfo, also known as Creative Jobs. Anyone can utilize this website to make money for free, whether they are in Singapore, Canada, or Australia. As you can see, there is absolutely no cost to enroll, and they will pay you for your time. There are many different ways you can earn money with this website, but there will only be one thing you do here that will actually earn you the most money without having to put in any extra effort. If you want to increase your earnings and get the best results possible while the software or bot does the work for you, go to the official homepage and place your cursor where it says hover your cursor. Now, if you click on the career tab, it will display all these different categories, including online paid survey jobs, offline and online typing jobs, teaching jobs, online ad publishing jobs, and more. However, for this video, we'll be focusing on online proofreading jobs, which will pay you $5 to $10 per 1,000 words and require you to simply fix grammar and spelling mistakes. But don't worry, you don't need to be an English expert, fluent in English, or anything else, because the free software or bot that I'm about to share with you will handle all of the difficult work for you. As you can see, the job nature, the job rates, and exactly how much they will pay you. As a proofreader you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words, so one article page pays you up to $10. But other people who have not watched this video will have to read the article and fix all of the grammatical errors themselves. Once you applied for a job from his website, you would receive something like this. You can open the document and see this text over here. This article is roughly 3 pages. So that you won't have to bother doing it yourself, all you need to do is copy this entire article and paste it into the software. Before we get to that software, though, which is a totally free tool that will handle all the work for you, let me first show you how to apply for a job and where to find this article. To do that, just visit this page at Jinkinfo. And then select Proofreading Jobs right here. Next, enter your name and last name in the boxes over here, your email address over here. You must enter your email address so they can send you future jobs, your birthday, your gender, as well as your marital status. Finally, click on Download Application Form to access the registration form you must fill out. Since you don't have to complete the job yourself and it only takes a minute or so to complete a job, you can complete it whenever and wherever you are. You simply copy the text and paste it into the software, and the software handles the work for you. After that, you can simply return to collect your earnings. And now you'll start getting those jobs, which will look like this. They send you an article, but the question is, how do you actually fix the grammatical errors? Before we address that, let me know in the comments from which country you are, so I can create more videos that are relevant to your region. Instantly check your grammar. SlickWrite is a robust free tool that makes it simple to check your writing for grammar mistakes, stylistic inconsistencies, and other features of interest. The grammar checker is lightning fast and literally instant. All you have to do is paste your text, and it takes care of the rest while you collect money from Creative Jobs. So just head over to SlickWrite and check out the demo if you like, and watch the video to see how it works. Or just go straight to start writing and start earning money. That was the first bot or software that will do the work for you absolutely free. The second software you can use is called Grammarly, which I've also linked to below the like button. You can even go to goo.gl to find it. Now I'll just wait for the bot to do all the labor-intensive work for me. As you can see, it has completed all the work. You can see it underlined all of the grammar errors and everything that I can change to correct the spelling and all of the mistakes. You can just do your clicking right here, and as you can see, everything will be finished in under a minute. You can get paid anywhere from like $10 up to $200 or even $300 per job completed. To recap, it was as easy as copying and pasting some text. These tools eliminate any grammatical errors. You then copy the entire corrected article, return to this website, paste it, and collect your earnings. It's that simple and straightforward, and I believe anyone can do it because, as you can see, it requires no prior experience, doesn't require you to sell anything, doesn't require you to wait for sales, and is simply one of the simplest ways I've recently discovered to make money online.